This video will show you how to create dimensioned drawings for your woodworking projects using SketchList 3D. Using dimensioned drawings is crucial in woodworking for several reasons. They provide exact measurements and specifications, ensuring that each component fits perfectly. Dimensioned drawings convey detailed information to everyone involved, from designers to builders to customers, minimizing misunderstandings and errors. With good dimensioned drawings, you can create identical pieces consistently, which is crucial for production or when replicating custom designs. Detailed drawings can reveal potential issues before construction begins, allowing for adjustments and corrections in the design phase and saving time and resources. Creating and modifying the drawings when needed can be a time-consuming task. However, with SketchList, the drawing process is automated. The shop drawings are created and adjusted during the design process, saving you significant time and effort. Just click on the lines or points you want to dimension, and you can create the drawing you need, allowing you to be more efficient and productive. After that, every change in the design automatically updates the drawings affected by the change. This integrated approach ensures that your design and drawings stay synchronized, saving time and effort. Plus, with SketchList, you can easily collaborate with others, share designs, and streamline the entire process. Whether you're designing a simple bookshelf or a complex custom cabinet, SketchList ensures that your designs are accurate and detailed, reducing the risk of errors and rework. Using SketchList can lead to significant time and cost savings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this SketchList 3D video. If you want more information, please go to www.sketchlist.com. You can buy, register for free classes, or sign up for a free trial there.